Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets. And today we're going to talk about the candy chiclets that's forever for sale in the Jardín. If you need additional information, there's links in the text box below that will take you to various websites, including one for Amazon.com that will take you out to all 12 best-selling books in the book series San Miguel de Allende Secrets. To not be approached by a child selling little packs of chiclets gum while in the Jardín is unheard of. But where did this gum come from, and how is it so popular? The chiclet's name is derived from the Spanish word chicle, derived from the indigenous word meaning sticky stuff. A pre-Columbian chewing gum found throughout the Mesoamerica tapped out as sap from various trees. Today's chiclets are essentially the same as the indigenous chicle, with the innovation of a hard sugar coating offered in various flavors and colors. The addition of the sugar coating made the gum easy to ship around the world while also radically extending the candy's shelf life and freshness. Exactly who started the chiclet brand we know of today is dicey. Some insist it was Mexico's own General Santa Anna that, while a prisoner in 1865 Texas, introduced chicle to a soldier named Thomas Adams. Adams later started a chewing gum company called American Chicle to compete with the then successful gum entrepreneur William Wrigley. Chiclet's now owner is Mondelez International Company, and they stopped making the candy in the U.S. back in 2016. However, Mexico continues production with the gum under the name Adams, and the gum is available in Walmart, Amazon, eBay. Court cases continue on whether or not the chiclet's trademark was abandoned back in 2016. Regardless, chiclets rule supreme as an easy-to-sell, flavorful gum on Centro streets. As always, feel free to click the subscribe button below, and you'll get automatic